When kids have decay in their mouth, there are generally two types of reactions from the parents. One set of parents are extremely worried about the decay in the kids' teeth and whether it will affect the future teeth. The other set of parents are least worried. They tell us that it is only milk teeth, so what is the problem? Just leave it, let it fall off by itself. I am Dr. Muthukumar and I am going to explain to you the importance of milk teeth. So first let us see what are milk teeth. So the milk teeth are the first set of teeth that grows in a child's mouth at the age of 6 to 8 months, and it will continue to grow till the age of 3 years. And after 3 to 6 years there will not be any growth of teeth. After 6 years the permanent teeth will begin to erupt and the milk teeth will begin to fall one by one till the age of 13 years. How many milk teeth are there? So usually if the child has a normal set of teeth, the child should have about 20 milk teeth, and the next set of permanent teeth, they are about 32 in number. So 20 of the 32 permanent teeth, 20 out of the 32 permanent teeth will replace this milk teeth. For example, if the milk teeth are in this position, consider 20 teeth are in this position and 20 permanent teeth will be below them. So as the milk teeth fall off one by one, this permanent teeth will come into their position. The remaining 12 out of the 32 teeth will grow in the back region. So are these 20 teeth, the 20 milk teeth and the 20 permanent teeth which is going to get replaced, are of the same size? They are not the same size. So consider I am sitting in a chair. So I am the permanent teeth. Before me there was a very lean person who was sitting there, and that person was the milk teeth. If that person got up and I had to sit in that position, I cannot sit in that position unless there was some space between that lean person. So if I am a bit hefty person, if I have to come and sit in that position, there should have been some space to the both sides of the lean person. So for the permanent teeth to come into proper position, the milk teeth should have some spaces. So these spaces are provided by nature itself. So if your child has spaces between their milk teeth, you should be very happy, because their permanent teeth will have more chances of coming into a proper position. But if your child has a very closely packed milk teeth, if the lean person was sitting, another lean person is sitting this side, another lean person is sitting this side, if I have to sit in that position, I will have to sit like this, or I will have to sit like this. So that permanent teeth will not come straight. That permanent teeth will come in a cross position, or it will come in some other position. So you will have to take extra treatments. Now if there is a decay in the milk teeth, what will happen? If there is a decay in the milk teeth, the next milk teeth will come and move into that position. So already there is very little space for the permanent teeth. So when the next teeth move into that position, you are further compromising the space for the permanent teeth, and more chances for malalignment to occur in your child's mouth in the future, and more chances that they have to take that braces treatment. But if in case you have the chance to save that milk teeth, you do have to save it. But if the dentist advises that the milk teeth has gone beyond saving, you can remove the milk teeth, but in the space of the milk teeth, you have to do some treatments called space maintainers or space regainers. So we will see about the space maintainers and space regainers in another video. But I hope this information would have been useful to you. If you like this video, please click the like button, share this video and subscribe for the channel. Thank you.